How can we properly deorbit defunct satellites to mitigate space junk? Imagine a future where space is cluttered with broken satellites and leftover rocket parts. That's the challenge we face with space junk. When satellites stop working, they become debris that can crash into active spacecraft. So, how do we clean up this mess? Let's find out. Deorbiting means guiding these old satellites back into Earth's atmosphere so they burn up. There are two main ways to do this: passive and active methods. Passive systems relying on natural forces like atmospheric drag. Small satellites can be fitted with drag sails, which are large, lightweight surfaces that catch the thin air in low Earth orbit. These sails increase the surface area, making the satellite slow down and fall back faster. It's a simple, low-cost way to help satellites deorbit over time, usually within a few years. But it works best for satellites in low Earth orbit, where atmospheric drag is stronger. Active deorbiting involves specially designed spacecraft or robotic systems that physically grab or push defunct satellites. These systems use robotic arms, nets, harpoons, or tethers to capture the debris. Once secured, they can either push the satellite into a lower orbit for natural reentry or move it to a graveyard orbit. A graveyard orbit is a stable, higher orbit from active satellites, usually a few hundred kilometers above geostationary orbit. Moving debris to this safe zone prevents collisions but doesn't remove the debris entirely. Active systems need fuel and precise control, which can be tricky for older satellites that might have lost some of their maneuvering capabilities. In low Earth orbit, atmospheric drag is strong enough that passive methods work well, especially for small satellites. For larger, more distant satellites in medium or geostationary orbits, active systems are better suited. They can either deorbit the satellite or move it to a safe zone. Developing satellites with built-in deorbit devices, like small thrusters or deployable drag sails, is becoming common. Some companies are working on servicing spacecraft that can repair, refuel, or deorbit old satellites, helping to keep space cleaner. International rules now requiring satellite operators to plan for deorbiting within 25 years after their mission ends. This helps reduce space junk over time. Better tracking of debris and coordination among space agencies also improve our ability to remove dangerous objects. Combining passive and active methods, along with smarter satellite design and international cooperation, is key to managing space debris. Proper deorbiting is essential to keep space safe and sustainable for future missions.